Hey there, friends. It's wonderful to see you here taking steps to care for your health and well-being. Whether you're 65 or well beyond, you know that every choice you make can have a big impact on how you feel each day. If you're over 65, you already know how important it is to keep your skin, joints, and bones strong, because that's what keeps you feeling young. Staying active, eating right, and making smart choices can help you enjoy life to the fullest. Whether you're out for a walk, gardening, or just spending time with loved ones. The secret behind all of that? Collagen. It's the glue that literally holds us together. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your bones strong. As we age, our bodies naturally make less of it, which is why we start to notice more wrinkles, stiffer joints, and even weaker nails and hair. But did you know that some fruits can quietly damage your body's collagen while others help rebuild it fast? It's true. What you put on your plate can make a huge difference in how your body ages, right down to the cellular level. Let's talk about 3 fruits you'll want to keep off your plate, and 3 you should eat more often. Making these simple swaps can help you protect your collagen, keep your skin looking youthful, and your joints feeling comfortable. First, the bad news. Certain fruits, while tasty, can actually break down collagen. It's not just about the fruit itself, but how it's prepared and what's added to it. Number 1, canned pineapples. These might seem like a convenient snack, but they're often packed in heavy syrup loaded with added sugars. They're loaded with added sugars that trigger something called glycation. That process stiffens and ages your collagen, speeding up wrinkles and joint pain. Glycation is when sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen, making them less flexible and more prone to damage. Second, watermelon. I know it's sweet and refreshing, especially on a hot day, but it's high in natural sugar, which can have a similar effect if you eat too much. While a slice or 2 is fine, making it a daily habit can add up and impact your collagen health over time. And third, dried mangoes. These are often seen as a healthy snack, but they're much more concentrated in sugar than fresh fruit. They're concentrated with sugars and can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and, yes, collagen breakdown. Over time, this can make your skin look older and your joints feel stiffer. But don't worry, I've got great news too. There are plenty of delicious fruits that actually help your body make more collagen and keep you looking and feeling your best. There are fruits that actually help your body rebuild collagen faster than ever. Number 1, kiwis. These little green powerhouses are not only tasty, but they're also loaded with nutrients that support healthy aging. These little green powerhouses are packed with vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen. Just 1 kiwi can give you more vitamin C than an orange. Plus, they're full of fiber and antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage. Second, strawberries. They're not just delicious, they're also full of antioxidants and more vitamin C, which help fight the aging process right at the source. Strawberries also contain ellagic acid, which helps prevent collagen breakdown and keeps your skin looking firm and smooth. And third, let's not forget oranges. A classic choice, but for good reason. That vitamin C really does wonders for your skin and joints. Oranges are also hydrating and easy to add to your daily routine, whether you eat them as a snack or add slices to your water. So, if you want to keep your skin glowing and your joints moving freely, try swapping out those high-sugar fruits for ones loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Even small changes, like choosing fresh fruit over canned or dried, can make a big difference over time. Your future self will thank you, and you might just turn back the clock a little bit. Imagine waking up with smoother skin, more energy, and less joint pain, all from making a few simple changes to your fruit choices. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips. We're here to help you live your healthiest, happiest life at any age. Remember, you're never too old to feel better and look younger. Take care, keep making healthy choices, and I'll see you in the next video.